Industry is the bigger question. It's existing in every industry, in every workplace. Uh, I can't comment about each and everybody's virtues. I can't sit down here and argue for every single person of the industry, every person in the industry. But I have worked in this industry and in both industries, Tamil and Telugu, and this has been my home for the last 8 years. And yeah, you can say that I had it easy. I had hits, and I became a bigger star, and I didn't have much of a struggle because my first film was a hit. Um, but I believe honestly with all my heart that there is a lot of good in this industry. I have met the best people, whether it is directors, producers, uh, my staff, assistants, makeup artists, lightmen. I have found the most beautiful human beings, the most helpful human beings, the most loyal human beings in this industry. Which is why I can't even think of leaving this movie industry even after I have a baby, and I want to be a part of this not for the fame, not even on screen but off screen, because I love with all my heart this industry and the people in and this industry is the people in it. So there will be few black sheep. I can't negate some bad experiences of women, men. Uh, uh, I just for that one reason, there is going to start. We are starting that a forum for grievances, and I think that's a very very good step, so that nobody's fearful anymore. Um, and I think that's a step in the right direction. I like in corporate, there's more. If they're very stringent rules, I believe that now stringent rules will be brought into the industry as well. My priority is that I've always wanted a family. I've always wanted baby. I've always wanted that. I've always wanted to be a good mother, a good wife. So